If you're using Claude Code with a Pro or Max subscription and hitting your usage limits quickly, the problem might not be how often you use Claude. It might be how much context you send. Here are 5 ways to reduce unnecessary context and get more out of your subscription. Number 1. Convert large text into images. There is an open source project called pxpipe. It converts large outputs like code, JSON files, documentation, and tool results into images before sending them to Claude. Claude can read these images using its vision capability. The important part is that images and large text files require tokens for every part of the images are processed based on their dimensions. So instead of sending thousands of lines of text, you can sometimes represent that information as an image and use less context. Number 2. Remove unnecessary words. Shorter prompts use fewer tokens. For example, instead of writing, "Please read the following code and explain why the function is failing." Read code, explain why function failing. The meaning is the same. Words like please, the, and a usually do not add much information in direct instructions. The difference is small in one prompt, but across thousands of requests, those extra tokens add up. Number 3. Stop repeating instructions. Many people include the same instruction. For example, follow coding standards, write production-ready code, review your answer before responding. If these instructions stay the same, define them once and reference them later. For example, use mode. Instead of sending the full instructions again, Claude can follow the rules you already defined. Number 4. Sending duplicate code. Already has a file again. Only send the part that. Even better, send a diff. During debugging, repeatedly sending the same code wastes context on information Claude already has. Number 5. Reset or compact long conversations. Long conversations, old debugging, previous experiments that did not work. All of that, after a while, Claude spends more time reading old information than solving the current. When a conversation becomes too large, start a new one. Move only what matters. The problem you are solving, relevant, important. A short summary can replace hundreds of previous messages. The biggest source of wasted Claude Code usage is unnecessary. Reduce what Claude has to read and more of your If you know other ways to reduce Claude Code usage, share them in the comments. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you're building.